Pan-seared red snapper, what could be better than that? This dish is delicious, healthy, easy to cook. It requires very little technique. There are very few ingredients. In other words, it checks all the boxes to be featured on my channel, and by the time we're done with it, we're gonna have a miracle on a plate. As for the ingredients, there's the red snapper, and then there's everything else. Red snapper is a fantastic, mild fish, but it's got a very distinct flavor. It takes on flavors very well. Tonight we're gonna do a light, creamy Dijonnaise sauce, which is gonna go great with the red snapper. As for the other ingredients, you can see them here on the board. I'm not going to read them all off. For the exact measurements, go to the description of this video. But the idea here is we're gonna create the sauce in the same pan we use to cook the fish. So we'll have some basic aromatics, in this case the shallot, and we're going to create a Dijonnaise sauce, but it'll have some of the fish oils from the red snapper, bringing it all together. Okay, step one is we're gonna season this fish with salt and pepper. The skin you can eat. It's like a nice savory potato chip. Next, we're going to mince our shallot. A little shallot for you. We are going to sear the red snapper over high heat in a mix of unsalted butter, because it has that higher smoke point, and extra virgin olive oil. When the fish is done, we're gonna throw in our aromatic and we're gonna build a sauce in that same pan. Okay, you wanna put the fish flesh side down away from you. And 1, 2, 3. You really don't want them to be touching. Okay, so you can see we're building the sear on the flesh side of the fish. You can also see that I've scored the skin side to prevent it from curling. And here's a quick picture of what that looked like before we put it in the pan. Okay, now for the tough part in a crowded pan. Here's how we look after about 6 minutes, and it's just about ready to come off the heat. Okay. So we just give it another tablespoon of butter. I've taken the fish out, but you can see I've not cleaned out the pan. Throw in those shallots. Smells great. Hit it with a little salt. Okay, now we're gonna deglaze with a little white wine. So we're gonna let that reduce by about half. We're gonna add the Dijon mustard. Then we're gonna add a little lemon juice and cream. Let that cream reduce and the sauce will finish thickening, and then it's ready to serve. In goes our Dijon. Fresh lemon juice. Our tiles have been blasted. Finish it with a little cream. A little more. All right, so we're gonna just give it a little bit of the sauce on the bottom. Okay, we just crowned with the fish. And that's ready to serve. Pan-seared red snapper in a creamy Dijonnaise sauce. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please like and subscribe. That's the best way you can support this channel. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Let's dig in. Oh my God, this looks great. Oh my God, right on the money. Mwah. Have at it.
Guarda, c'è.